Respected sirs, engineers and friends, if there is any single item which gives maximum safety to an electrical workman, it is rubber hand gloves. Hence, I am reading the safety instructions by different organizations to their officers and staff. Now today I am reading out the instructions of MSEB for their officers and workers for use of hand gloves. Now I will read out why I am taking so much effort, because in every organization there is some different point to be noted and missing in some safety manuals. Well, rubber gloves should invariably use in all cases where accidental contact of operating personnel with live parts are likely. For example, while discharging high tension lines and equipment. This is also applicable to other lines also. While operating gang operated switches, controlling high tension lines and equipment, or while working near live lines and equipment, gloves should be worn. Gloves should be used while working on live low tension lines and equipment. Here, what is specifically to while working on LT lines, gloves can be worked on line work, on live low tension line and equipment. Secondly, each pair of gloves should be issued out in a protective container such as a canvas or leather bag or a wooden box. What is told here, each pair of gloves should be issued out in a protective container. While issuing the gloves only, a container shall be issued to the concerned user, lineman, etc. The type of container depends upon the class of work on which the gloves are used. Canvas or leather bags are well adapted for overhead line work, as they may be conveniently attached to the lineman's belt. Box containers are desirable where the gloves are kept in toolboxes, as they will be protected from sharp tools and any oily rugs. Containers may be marked with the name of the section to which the gloves are issued. French chalk may be smeared on the gloves both inside and outside and kept in the container. When not in use, the gloves should be kept in their containers. The container should not be used for any other purpose. Further, undue strain on gloves should be avoided when putting them on or taking them off. Gloves should not be exposed unnecessarily to the extreme heat or cold. Gloves should always be kept clean, preferably in a cool place. Further, where gloves have become soiled with insulation compound, tar, paint, and the like, which require some solvent like spirit, kerosene, carbon tetrachloride, etc. For the removal, great care should be taken in using them, as these solvents greatly weaken the mechanical strength of the rubber. Kerosene penetrates as rapidly as other solvents, but it is the slowest to evaporate and its use should be avoided. Only very small quantity of solvent should be used, and the solvent should be washed off immediately with the water. Water above 150 degrees centigrade should not be used. Further, glue should not be allowed to come in contact with oil. Oil is one of the enemies of the rubber. Glue should be kept away from tools or line materials while transporting them in journeys or while carrying them in pockets to avoid injury. Thus, you might have noticed here there are additional points than in other safety manuals. Now, further, gloves should not be tied together or otherwise creased. Now, how to inspect a glove? Inspection of gloves. On every occasion before use, each glove of the pair should be examined for cuts, scratches, abrasions and holes. Each glove should be subjected to an air leakage test by gripping the cuff in each hand and swinging the glove around on the itself so as to roll up the cuff and retain the air in the glove. Pressure placed on the glove in this condition will cause air leakage. If a hole exists, any glove found defective or suspected to be defective should not be used and should be returned to the section officer for examination and survey report. Now, gloves should be obtained immediately to replace gloves. The foreman or line inspector in charge of work should have the glove examined daily before they are issued to workmen. The supervisor or junior engineer should inspect the gloves as frequently as possible and have this recorded in the maintenance register. Each section should have spare gloves for replacement and emergency use. All rubber gloves should be got tested to 10,000 holes every 3 months as per method decided in. As per the method given here, that it is the method is as per IS code. I think this is sufficient, and in case there is some doubt, you can ask. Friends, the hand glove is a very important. Hence, I have read as far as possible with the record available with me. If any doubt is there, kindly phone or post. Thank you. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief Engineer MSEB and National Safety Council member. For such safety related videos, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.